Hello everyone, my name is Inzamam and I am from Department of Entomology, University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. Today I am going to discuss about the combined effect of different irrigation regimes and systemic insecticides on biology of cotton whitefly, Bemisia tabaki, under greenhouse conditions. So first let's discuss about the cotton plant that why did we selected cotton. As cotton is a major cash crop and has a significant role in the economy of Pakistan. It contributes 22% to the country's gross domestic product in the nationwide economy by the value added products in agriculture. Pakistan is the fourth largest country for the production of cotton, but per hectare yield is low due to insect pests attack, which can cause 30 to 35% loss in cotton yield. The severe attack of insect pests caused heavy qualitative and quantitative yield losses varying from 40 to 50%. With the increasing trend of transgenic cotton in Pakistan, the farmers are facing problems regarding sucking pest complex for which they have to adopt intensive control methods, mainly relying on the chemical control. Among sucking pests complex, whitefly is the most notorious and key pest. Cotton whitefly, whose technical name is Bemisia tabaki, damages the plant in three different ways. Firstly, by constantly sucking the cell sap, resulting in 50% reduction in ball production. Second, by secreting honey dewdrops on which sooty mold develops. And third one, also by acting as a vector of leaf curl virus disease. The average yield loss in Pakistan caused by cotton leaf curl virus was reported to be 38.7%. There are different pest control tactics, but the most common and quicker one is that of chemical control, which is generally adopted by our farming community. Chemical control of the pests becomes imperative when all other control methods fail to control the target pests. But on the other hand, indiscriminate use of insecticides has not only caused the resistance problems in these pests, but it has also polluted the environment along with other health hazards. Therefore, the judicious and effective use of chemicals at proper time is most important. Insecticides applications have a broad spectrum activity for the eradication of variety of insect pests of several agricultural crops. In their specificity, they can be stimulated by inhalation, touch, and by ingestion. Even though there are some chemical compounds which are formulated in such a way that their efficacy cannot be fully achieved until the compound is present within the plant for which protection is needed. Such chemical compounds are known as systemics. So in current experiment, effect of irrigation was assessed on the efficacy of systemic insecticides. Its effect was also checked on different plant parameters that whether it affect positively or negatively. And also its effect was also checked on insect parameters. So the current experiment was conducted in semi-natural conditions. The experiment was laid out under completely randomized design with three replications of each treatment in greenhouse at University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. A factorial experiment involving two levels of irrigation, either regular irrigation and defect irrigation, and two insecticide application and no insecticide application was conducted. The results indicated that all the treatments significantly affected the biological parameters of Vimisia tabaki and physiological parameters of cotton plant. A significantly higher mortality percentage, 87.37%, and lower oviposition, 37x, and lower egg to nymph ratio, which was just 64%, and a lower nymph to adult emergence ratio, which was 53%, was recorded in regular irrigation and insecticide application treatments as compared to defect irrigation and no insecticide application. Similarly, increased plant height, which was 105 centimeter, increased number of branches 19 per plant, increased number of balls per plant, and increased cotton yield was recorded in plants receiving regular irrigation and insecticide applications as compared to those plants with defect irrigation and no insecticide application. So it is clear from the results that systemic insecticides performed better against Bemisia tabaki in regular irrigation. Thank you for your attention.